Good day everyone! One Cook Week is back and brings another tasty choice on your table. So this time I will prepare a unique dish that can stand as a standard food by itself or as a fantastic meze as well. Don't forget to feed the channel with subscribes, likes and comments. Support the Facebook page too by following the links up there. Are you ready to be amazed by the simplicity of this recipe? Of course, because you already know what to expect from this channel. Pork and sausages dressed in red, the great ΣΠΕΤΣΟΦΑΙ. ΣΠΕΤΣΟΦΑΙ is a food that requires not much of a cooking experience. It's a mix of vegetables and spiced meats of two kinds, pork and sausage. You better choose a part from the leg of the pork, since the olive oil will contribute for the necessary fats. 1 kilogram of meat and 2 rustic sausages are more than enough. Remember, all you need is love, a pan and a medium-sized pot. Here are the ingredients. One big onion, 2 pieces of garlic, 3 Greek green cowhorn peppers. Be careful, this particular kind is not hot. 2 red bell peppers and 2 yellow peppers of the same type. A very small quantity of chili pepper, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, a soup spoon with strong tomato pasta, 2 pieces of pimento, half of a cup with red wine, a glass of water, 1 laurel leaf, a small amount of sugar, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Pretty common ingredients, you say? Be ready, because the taste you'll get out of it is more than common. Let's start by washing out the vegetables. Make sure that you get rid of the pepper seeds and the caps, of course. Cut them into medium-sized rings so that they won't melt away, and you can find them in the food later. Now cut the onion and the garlic into small cubes and the tomatoes too. Finally, cut the sausage in medium-sized pieces. Splendid! Now we can move on with the process. Put the pan onto the hot plate. Pour some olive oil and let it burn. When the oil is ready, throw in the onion and the garlic. Let them get blunt and then lower the heat to 80%. Lay the sausage onto them for a minute and overturn for another minute. It is time for the colored peppers. Throw them into the pan and spread them with a wooden spoon. they'll start to expel their moisture pretty soon. Smash the small quantity of chili pepper and add it to them. The tomatoes come next. Spread them too. Keep on mixing until the tomatoes get softer. Put the tomato pasta in and let everything become one for a minute or two. Salt and pepper, but not much since we'll add some more later. Two minutes have passed and we must put down the fire with the red wine. This is it. Lower the heat to 60% and let it for 5 minutes. We have work to do. Put the pot onto the hot plate and throw in olive oil. A little more than before. This is the way you should handle the pork. Cut the meat into smaller cube pieces. Like that. Consider them more as a meze than a normal food share. Now the oil is in the right temperature. Throw in the pimento pieces and lay down the pork meat. I usually salt and pepper on this early stage and I get a better taste in result. Overturn the pieces until they get a white color. This means they'll keep their juices safe for the rest of the cooking. Perfect! Now we'll join the rest of the ingredients together into the pot. And watch out as you throw in the hot content of the pan. Add the laurel leaf and a small amount of sugar. The sugar will help the sauce thicken. Pour the water in and maybe some more salt. You better taste the salsa first. Lower the heat to 70% and cover the pot. The meat will be ready after 35 to 40 minutes, so be sure that you check out the water levels frequently. After that, remove the cap and let the water evaporate until you have 2 fingers of thick sauce left. I can't wait! The smell is so strong and I bet the neighbors can smell it too. It is best served into a clay pot, usually with a couple types of cheese aside, cherry tomatoes and fresh bread. Well, I hope you enjoy it, as I do now. SPETSOFAI.